welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Party Girl TikTok trend, which is very popular and also very easy to learn. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go. So the very first thing we're going to do is swing, swing. So to do this, our hands go to the right, to the left, and our legs are bent, and then we straighten. Bend, straighten, bend, straighten, like that. So 1, 2, that's it. So after this, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. So once again, 1 point forward, 2, call, circle, like that. So swing, swing, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at normal speed, it's gonna be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So just practice it and you'll get it. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna do a wave. So I'm gonna explain how to do the wave. I explain this in almost any video where we have to do the wave, but just in case. So our hands right now are gonna be in fists. Sometimes they do the wave with straight hands, sometimes in fists. So right now, our hands are in fists, and we go. We're gonna do it by points first. So hand, elbow, shoulder, shoulder, elbow, and hand. Once again, hand, elbow, shoulder, shoulder, and hand. Super. So now we're going to do the same thing, but a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and like that. So, and after this, we're going to do it all together. So we're going to join all those movements. It's going to be like this. So at the beginning, it's going to be a little hard, but then you'll just get used to it. Just practice it all the time, and you'll get it. And once you get it, starting with your right hand, start with your left hand, like that, and practice it a couple times, and that's it. So let's do it. So let's start from the very beginning. Swing, swing, 1, 2, call, circle, wave. So after this, we're gonna go 1, 2, like that. So this move is very popular on TikTok. So I guess if you're gonna learn all the TikTok trends, this is like an essential move that you should know how to do. So to do it, we're gonna put first both our hands like this. Our hands are in fists and they're like this, right? And we're gonna go 1, 2. So first, just use your hands to do it, right? 1, 2, like that. 1, 2. And when you go to the side, your body also goes to the side. It doesn't stay in the same place. It also goes with the hands like this. 1, 2, like that. And then for our legs, if we go to the right with our hands, we're gonna move our right leg. So it's gonna be like this. Our legs are bent, and then they go 1, 2, like that. So 1, 2, 1, 2, right. So let's start from the very beginning slowly. Swing, swing, 1, 2, call, circle, wave, mop. So yes, this is called the mop. I don't know why, but it's called like that. So yeah, mop. And then after this, we're gonna go 1. Pretend we are slapping our face. I know it sounds weird, slapping our own face, but we have to do it. Not hard though. Like this, just don't even touch your face like that. And then you're gonna go 1, like that. So let me explain that to you. First, our head goes to the left, 1, and then one hand is here, like that, and then the other one does a circle. And while we do that circle, we're gonna do a wave. So a wave is like this: 1, 2, 3, like that, and then you just go up. But right now, we're not gonna go up. So like that. And we're gonna do that with our hands here. So it's gonna be like this: 1. And we're gonna do a step with our left leg. So 1, like that. So let's do it from the very beginning. Swing, swing, 1, 2, call, circle, wave, mop, 1, wave. So after the wave, we're gonna do. 1, 2. So cross, uncross our arms. So to do this, our hands are on our shoulders. First cross and then uncrossed, but they're still touching our shoulders, right? Like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. We're gonna do it once. 1, 2. That's it. So let's do it from the very beginning and then we'll move on. Swing, swing. 1, 2. Call, circle, wave. Up, 1. Wave, cross, uncross. Okay, so after the cross and cross, we can go to either side. You can go to left, right, however you want. But I'm gonna go to the left. So we're gonna go 1, so it's like this. 1, 2. I know it's the most basic move in the world, but you just step and step, and with your hands you go 1, 2, like that. They don't have to be giant steps like this, because like no one would step like this, right? So just wide steps, but not really wide. So after this, we're gonna go. So for this move we're gonna do right now, many people do it differently, but we're gonna go like this. 1, like that. So to do this, our hand is going to our head like this. It's behind our head. The other one just does a circle like this, and then it ends here. So after this, when we know what to do with our hands, we're gonna start with our legs. So our legs are bent like this in this position. I know it looks weird. And then we're gonna do 1. So we're gonna twist our leg and then twist it again. So 1, like that. So once again, 1. Done. So now let's start from the beginning and then we'll go on because we don't have much left. The next part is a little bit easier. So let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Call, circle, wave. Mop. 1. Wave, cross, uncross, step, step, 1. So let's just call that move circle, but you know what I mean, right? So after this, what we're gonna do is whoa. So everyone knows how to whoa. Well, if you don't know how to whoa, you're just gonna pretend you have something here on your hand. You're gonna throw it and then catch it like that. So throw, catch, like that. So 1, 2. So after we do this, we're gonna go 1, 2, like that. So basically our hands are fists and they go 1, 2, 1, 2 towards our head. So 1, 2, 1, 2. There's not a specific, like, it's not like you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Like you can go either like this or just like this. So however you want. So let's do it from the wall. 1, 2. After this, we're gonna do an 8 with our right hand. So first we go to the left, to the right. So left, right. Once again, left, right, like that. And then after this, there are 3 moves left. So I'm gonna show them to you, and then we're gonna do it from the beginning. Slow, then fast, and that's it. So let's go. 1, then we're gonna go 1, 2. So our hands, we have to pretend we have a wall here and we're banging on that wall with our hands. So right hand, left hand, and then we're gonna go 1. So basically to do this, you're just doing a wave 2, 1. So basically, if you do a lot of them, a lot of those waves, it's gonna look like this. But we only have time for 1, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 1, like that. And that's the whole dance. So let's start from the very beginning. One's slow, one's fast, and we are done. So let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, call, circle, wave, mop, 1, wave, cross, uncross, step, step, whoa, 2, 8, 1, 2, 3. That's it. So now we're going to do the same thing faster, and that's it. So let's go. Swing, swing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave. Mop. 1. Wave. Cross Whoa. 2, 8. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!